Powerful motor. 1800 watt motor for maximum cleaning power, which generates the pressure 3800 psi and flow 2.60 GPM. Powered using an air-cooled industrial motor, and the power will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Ergonomically designed. With mobile wheels to ensure easy moving, and grip handle for convenient maneuvering, automatically shut-off system, save energy and prolong durable life. Leak-proof connections. Professional-grade brass garden hose connector and M22mm connections. The connection of choice for professional-level accessories. Attachments included: professional-style pressure washer gun, pressure washer wand, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 15 ounces. Detergent tank and 4 different quick-change pressure washer nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree to 5 degree, 45 degrees. 35 feet power cord. The washer is equipped with 35 feet power cord, providing more safety feature and make your washing area larger.